Hello and welcome back. Today we'll be making a delicious, sweet, savory, juicy jerk pork. I hope you're ready. Now let's begin. Like my previous episode, I'm going to start with a brine. Garlic, rosemary, thyme, some rum, some rice vinegar, and before I forget, a couple of bay leaves. When everything's been thoroughly mixed in your blender, reintroduce to your pot of water. Then add 1 cup of kosher salt and 1 cup of sugar. Whisk and combine everything until both the sugar and salt are dissolved. And when that's said and done, let's prep the star of the show. Ooh, such a lovely piece of meat. I'll try to be gentle. I'm just going to score you so the brine and the jerk marinade penetrate deeply throughout the meat. Now that the meat has been properly prepared, let's submerge in our brine to ensure that the meat will be juicy and tender. I'll see you tomorrow. After a day, it looks good, smells nice. Now how about we add another layer of flavor? In a blender, add 3 shallots, a little bit of thyme. Remember to remove the stems. 1/2 of a red onion, half a package of green onion. Add a healthy amount of freshly peeled garlic and ginger. I like mine really spicy, so I added about 6-7 habaneros and the zest and juices of 4 limes. To top this marinade off, let's add a good helping of soy sauce, allspice, nutmeg, Chinese 5-spice, pepper, and last but not least, some brown sugar. Now give the ingredients a good mix, and it's time to taste it. Let me taste a little bit of that. Sweet, savory, just like I like it. Now remove the delicious meat from the pot and pat it dry to prepare it to be smothered in this delicious marinade. Then add the meat to the pot and pour over the marinade. Make sure you get it all in there. Now before we let this sit for the next 2 days, make sure to get your hands dirty and toss the pork butt and marinade so they can mingle appropriately. After a couple of days, it looks like the flavors have gotten to know each other. Now let's get you out of there and get you in the oven where you belong. Now set the oven to 350 and pour the remainder of the marinade on the pork. Make sure you get this delicious marinade into every single crevice before you put it into the oven. And there you have it, brined, marinated. Let's get you into the oven, turn you to 350, and I'll see you in a couple of hours. Looking good, but we'll need to let it rest before we dig in. In the meantime, let's prepare a colorful, beautiful, flavorful side in the meantime. We'll start by peeling and cubing 3 sweet potatoes. Make sure the pieces are small enough so they cook evenly with the other vegetables. Next, slice 3 red onions like this. Make sure to spread out the scales in this fashion. Last but not least, we'll be chopping up 6 bell peppers, 2 red, 2 yellow, and 2 orange to add beauty and flavor to this dish. Add all of your ingredients to a large bowl and add olive oil, balsamic vinegar, cumin, black pepper, and kosher salt. Then mix it all together, making sure that the spices and oils are mixed thoroughly throughout the veggies. Add the mixture to 2 aluminum pans, cover in foil, and cook at 400 degrees or until the sweet potatoes are fork tender. Now look at this. Colorful, beautiful, tasty. The perfect side to go with any dish. I think the pork has had enough rest. Let's cut in and see what it looks like. Ooh, baby, look how juicy it is. I can't wait to have a bite. God. Now this definitely got that taste. Sweet, savory, delicious. I hope you enjoyed watching my variation of jerk pork. If you want to see more content like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. This is your sexy chef. I'll see you next time.